Welcome to everyone, brother and sister, and my dear students. Now we are going to discuss about CSIR aptitude for mathematical science. Now I selected the first topic, probability. Okay. Before solve the problem, now discuss the basic concepts and definitions. Okay. Let us now to try to understand one of the most popular aptitude in mathematics. Okay, what is probability? Definitions. If a trial result in n exhaustive, mutually exclusive and equally likely cases. The three word is very important. Need to understand the keyword. Okay, and m of them favorable to the happening of an event. Favorable event means our expectation. Okay, then the probability p of happening of E is given by first keyword mutually exclusive. What is mean by mutually exclusive? When I toss a single coin, we get the outcome either head or tail. At the same time, head and tail cannot come together. Okay, this is a mutually exclusive. Then next one, equally likely cases. It's a very simple. Before discuss the equally likely cases, then what is probability? Probability of the event is equal to favorable number of cases and exhaustive number of cases. What is mean by exhaustive number of cases? All possible outcome. For example, when I toss a single coin, how many number of outcomes will come? Head and tail. That means two possibilities. Then what is mean by favorable number of cases? Favorable means a person expectation. When I toss a single coin, I expect head. So therefore, what's the probability of head? Probability of head is equal to what's the formula? Favorable number of cases. Favorable number of cases means our expectation. Our expectation is head. About how many head will be there? Only one head. 1 divide by what is the total number of possibilities? Total number of possibilities head to tail. That means 2. So probability of head is equal to 1 by 2. At the same time, suppose I expect tail. What's the probability of tail? Probability of tail is equal to the same. Favorable number of cases. Our favorable cases tail. How many tails is there? 1. 1 by what's the total number of, that means exhaustive number of cases. That means all possibility values, 2 values. 1 by 2. Okay, probability of H is 1 by 2. Also probability of T is also 1 by 2. This is the equally likely cases. Each outcome H tail has same probability 1 by 2. This is the equally likely cases. Okay, you are understand this concept about the probability. Next one we have to discuss the example that is a very important aptitude in probability. What is chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays? Here given leap year means how many number of days exist? 366 days. Okay, then 366 days means how many number of weeks? Completed weeks. 52 completed weeks. 52 completed week means 52 into 7, 364 days. There exist 52 confirmed Sundays. Okay, confirm Sunday. Here given leap year means 366 days. Here only 52 weeks having 364 days only. Here one more 2 days exist in the leap year, right? 364, 365 and 366. One more 2 days exist in the leap year. In the 2 days having how many number of possibility combination of the days? Like these 2 days may be Sunday and Monday. Okay, or Monday Tuesday, or Tuesday Wednesday, or Wednesday Thursday, or Thursday Friday, or Friday Saturday, or Saturday Sunday. These 2 days may be like this the possibilities. Okay, our aim only count the Sunday. Here how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibilities there. In a 7 possibilities, how many Sunday occurs in the possibilities? How many Sundays? 1, 2. 2 Sundays exist. Okay, now how to find the possibilities? That means probability. Probability of hitting 53 Sundays is equal to number of times event occurred. How many number of times Sunday occurred? 1, 2 is equal to 2 divide by total number of trials. Total number of trial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. Appo probability of hitting 53 Sundays is equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is equal to 0.9 is a possibility. Thank you, students.